Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail password in just a few simple steps. If you want to keep your account secure, updating your password regularly is a great idea. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.google.com. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then click on Manage Your Google Account. In the left-hand menu, click on Security. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section and click on Password. Before making changes, Google will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current password. Type it in and click Next. Now, enter your new password. Make sure it's strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Re-enter the password to confirm, then click Change Password. Congratulations! Your Gmail password has been updated. For added security, consider enabling two-step verification to protect your account from unauthorized access. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.